Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are testing out another foundation. Today we are going to be trying out Black Opal foundation, and this is a Even True Flawless Liquid Foundation. This is pretty new on the Target website, so there's no reviews on this as yet. I picked up the shade 420 Nutmeg. This is a medium to full coverage, lightweight skin brightening mineral liquid formula and even tones with a luminous velvet finish, and it says it's for all skin type. So this is the box here. This is what it looks like here. And this is $12. They have around 8 shades. I'm not sure if this shade is gonna work for me, but we're just gonna try it out and see. Let's just prep the face before I put this on. So I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Pretty Fresh primer. So Black Opal is available on the Ulta website now. So if you guys want to pick up some of their products, they're on the Ulta website. I'm not sure if they're carrying all the products, but I've seen some of the products on that website. Now Black Opal is a black owned brand, and they have some really nice stuff for women of color, and I've been using Black Opal for years. I really do like their foundation stick. So we get 1 fluid ounce in this here. So let's just see. Hopefully 420 works for me. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush here. This is from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna take a little bit and put here. This is not looking too good for my skin. It looks a little bit on the light side. Ooh, this is really thick. Ooh, the smell is just crazy too. Okay, so this is definitely not my shade. Oh, this is really, really thick. Oh no. So I'm not thinking I'm gonna put more of this. This is too thick. So hopefully this works out good, because I'm not sure if this oxidized. Hopefully it oxidized though, because this is going on a little bit too light. It looks like it's gonna work. Okay, the smell is a little bit strong. It's not that bad. I'm gonna take a little bit and put on my hand because it's pumping out too much. Some brushes don't work for certain foundations because it leaves that lining on the face. This is one of the foundations. I don't think I ever tried out Black Opal foundation all over the face. Like the foundation stick, I don't remember. It's been a while. But I always use their stick for like concealer because they're like full coverage. And I still have more on my hands, so I gotta figure out a way to put this. Just wanna like smooth it out. It's best to use a sponge if you're gonna use this foundation. The brushes leave a lot of lining on the face. But this is a beautiful finish, but I don't think that this is my shade. As you guys could see, like the coverage is really nice. So it says for all skin type. Also said that it's luminous. When you're applying it on the skin at first, you could smell the fragrance, but after a while you really don't smell it after you blend the product out. This is what the foundation looks like. I just used 2 pumps all over the face, but you really don't need 2 pumps because this is a really thick foundation. I do like it. I'm not really sure for the shade right now. It looks a little bit on the yellow side. It looks like it's oxidizing a little bit. So the next shade after 420 is 460, and this one is Beautiful Bronze. Picking up shade from Black Opal, it's very tricky because of the undertone. So I'm gonna go in and use my NYX Born to Glow concealer. So I'm not sure when this foundation came out, but I thought they had reviews on the Target website. So there's no way I could tell you guys what other people think about this foundation. So if you guys want to try it out and see how it works for you. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this powder. This is from Laura Mercier. I'm just gonna set where I put all the concealer. I need to use other products because I think you guys are getting tired of me using the same product. So I'm gonna go in with this bronzer. This is from Nibla. Okay, so I like the way it's looking right now. It looks like it's a little bit glowy. It looks pretty good. I really do like it. It oxidized a little bit. I could see the difference now. It looks really pretty. I'm getting a medium coverage. So at first it feels a little tight on the skin though. When I, like a few minutes ago, I could feel like the tightness. I'm going in with this blush here. It feels a little tight in the beginning, but it looks great. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty powder, face powder. I'm just gonna put that all over the face. I'm gonna start down here. Definitely not a bad foundation. It looks good. I like it. So I'm thinking this is probably my shade 420 Nutmeg. I don't think I will get like a darker shade. I think this works really good and it blends out really nice as well.
1 hour later.
I gave this a wear test because I wanted to see how it will perform on the face. I really do like this foundation. It looks really, really good. I am impressed with this. This is actually my shade. In the beginning when I tried this on, I was not with the shade that I picked up at all. It went on a little bit too light for me, but it did oxidize. So this is an hour of wear and I got a full coverage, okay? This is beautiful, really beautiful, and it's very dewy. So I'm impressed. It's a velvet finish, yes, and it is luminous, okay, and it feels really nice. Oily to combination skin, you guys gonna really like this foundation. So one pump is good for the entire face because this is pretty thick. If you guys never tried out Black Opal stuff before, this stuff is pretty good coverage. That's what most people use their product because it's really good on coverage. Covers really nice. It blends into the skin really, really good, and I'm happy that this foundation oxidized. Okay, this is one of the first foundation that I tried out, and that is a drugstore that is luminous. It's actually a luminous foundation, so I'm happy about this. So I'm gonna keep this one. I really do like it. I recommend you to try it out. They have some really good stuff. Okay, it's a little bit dark because I put stuff on my face, but I still do like it. It's not that dark, so I really do like it. As you guys could see the shade. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this shade and the foundation that I picked up. I will have everything listed in the description box down below for you guys. If you guys enjoy my foundation hunt series, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye guys.